Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you HyperX QuadCast Not Working, how to fix. As you can see, I am in the official website of Reddit, where the peoples provide their opinion regarding this. One people says that I bought the HyperX QuadCast S a few days ago and encountered the same issue. With Win 11, the fix for power settings works as well, but to reach that settings, it is different path. First, go to taskbar and search control panel. Second, change view by category, right upper corner to small or larger icons. Third, click on the power options. Fourth, click on the plan you are using. Change plan setting. I did it for all plans. Fifth, click on change advanced power settings. Sixth, USB settings. Go to USB selective suspend settings. Then go to setting disable and apply. If your HyperX Quadcast is not on, replug it to turn on. Shut down the computer and start it again. It should power up the mic normally now. At least that worked for me. So this is the solution of the problem. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.